In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add and delete custom contact fields in your Wix website. Let's begin with adding a new custom field to your contact section. First, sign in to your Wix site and navigate to the dashboard. Here, look for the Contacts section and click on it to access your contacts. From this page, look for the icon that represents More Actions. It usually appears as 3 dots, and once you click it, a small menu pops up. From this menu, you should select Custom Fields. After you have access to the Custom Fields area, your next task is to add a new field. Look for the plus Add New Field button and click on it. This operation will open up a drop-down menu where you can select from a variety of field types. Choose which field type suits your purpose best. You have the option of a text, number, date, or URL field. Once you've decided on your field type, next you need to give your field a descriptive and easy-to-identify name. Locate the field name field and type in the name you have chosen for your new custom field. After naming the field, confirm its addition by clicking Add. Finally, click Done to successfully implement these changes. Now, if you want to delete a custom contact field, the steps are just as simple. Revisit the Contacts section from your Wix site's dashboard, and just as before, click the More Actions icon and select Custom Fields from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find the field that you want to delete. To proceed, hover over the custom field you wish to remove, and a delete icon, typically represented by a trash can or an X symbol, will appear next to it. Click this icon. A confirmation prompt will then appear asking if you're sure about deleting the field. To confirm the deletion, click Delete again in the confirmation prompt. This action will successfully remove the unwanted field from your custom fields. Lastly, click Done to finalize the process. So there you have it. You've just learned how to add and delete custom contact fields in your Wix website. Practice these steps and you will be able to manage your custom contact fields efficiently.